Hello everyone. Today I want to show you how to operate LG washing manual machine. Yes, I just got one for myself. Yeah, this is my machine. Before you start using this LG, first and foremost, you make sure you turn on your switch, turn it up here, right? And then you go down, and this one here is the washing timing or washing timer. Yeah, if you want to use it, you can say you turn it to each number you want it to, you want, as for how fast you want to use your machine, or how fast you want it to do your washing for you, and depending on how dirty is your clothes as well. Yes, so when you want to start using this machine, first and foremost, you can see the pipe is connected to a tap over there. There's a tap there, and then first and foremost you open your water. Okay, I'm coming. And then there's my machine. Okay, this is the pipe connected to the tap where you can easily get your water. This is the carton that comes with it. Okay, yes, you can see. Good. So this is the carton. So I put it here. So then this is a time. This is the washing timer. If you want to do your timing, depending on how you want it, either you want it to stay longer. These are the time. If I put on 3 minutes, if you like 6 or whatever. But normally, if I'm doing my washing, I always put mine on this 6 minutes. All right? Yes, this is where I supposed to put my washing. And depending on this is where I put my timing. I mean to say, depending on your clothes, depending on the texture of your material, that is how you do your turning here. Yeah, this is where you do your turning. If normal, like you have a normal shirt like singlet that is not hard, maybe singlet is not hard, it is like boxers or stuff like this, you leave it here the way it is right now, right? But if you're having other material, maybe like t-shirt, yeah, sometimes it's a bit harder, you turn it to this place. Okay, then if you have other things like jean, maybe stuff like this, you can turn it to this place. Okay, yes. So right now, this is what you use if you want to bring out the water, want to spin out your water from your machine. This is where you touch. You just turn it to this, and the water will start going out. I'm going to teach you that. By the time you turn it to this, the water will start going out, right? If you want to do your spinning, this is it, right? You can turn your spinning. This is also spinning timer. You can turn it to 1 minute, 2 minutes, how many minutes you want to do your timing. You can do your timing, right? Okay, good. Right now, this is the machine. This is it. You see there's water on it already, but I'm going to also show you how to put on your water, okay? Because I want to do some washing. So this is it, right? This is my washing session. I'm going to turn on the water now so that you see how the water comes in and how it goes. This is the drying session, the spinning session, right? This is it. This is how it comes. This is how it comes, okay? And this is it. You can see it, right? If you want water to flow on it, I will teach you how to do that, okay? So just wait a minute, let me turn on the water. The water is flowing in, right? You can see, right? This is how you should do it. It's like this. The water will enter this washing session. But if you want it to, if you want to do your rinsing on your spinning area, after washing here, you can also do your rinsing here, okay? And then you turn your machine, you turn it to spinning, and the water will start flowing here. Yes, you can do your rinsing. If you want to do your rinsing, you can just keep pushing here, and then you take your clothes from here and then do your rinsing here. Okay, then water will go and rinse here. You can see, right? So whenever you want to do your your washing, you want the water to flow in, you just come to this side and then you turn it also to this side, and the water will stop running from here. You start coming here. They are both in one control switch. This is the switch, okay? So this is it. This is how to use this manual washing machine. Then you put your clothes. I'm going to teach you how to put your clothes. You have to close it, how to do your stuff, and how to do your spinning, okay? So this is my machine. Is it not beautiful? Yeah, it is. So now you see I've stopped the water from flowing, okay? So if you want the water to go out, okay, you can just do it so that the water can just goes out. And this is where if you want to, you know, when you finish washing and you want to spin out the water, you just come here. You can see it, then just turn this to this side. You see the water will start going down. Can you see it? It's going down. And I'll show you where it's going now. You see it goes out. You can connect your hose anywhere, to your bathroom, to your anywhere you like. You can turn your hose, okay, and then the water will start going out. This is it, okay? Yeah, do it like this and then the water will stop. Whenever it turns it to this side, the water will start going out. You can see my water, the water has reduced now, right? Water has reduced. Before it used to like up to here right now, okay, but now it has dropped. So you see, so this is it. I'm going to start washing my clothes now, and then you see how it works, okay? Did you see how it's working, guys? See? So I'm going to put in my detergent. Okay, put in my detergent. See? I want to start doing my washing right now. Well, let me add more detergent. Maybe that one is not enough. See, so I want to start putting my stuff. Start putting my stuff. They're all curtains, so I'm doing them together. You know, cotton is kind of a nylon, doesn't stain it doesn't stain, you get? So you see I'm putting it together. Hope you guys are seeing, right? Yeah. They're all going to, it's going to continue like this until we all mix together. I have to add some water so that it will help it do the washing ease. So the washing will be easy for it, okay? Whenever it's kind of a bit hard for you to mix, so for you to do your washing, that means the water might not be enough, and then you have to add enough water. You can see it's already mixing, it's already washing the stuff, okay? Yes, that is how it is. washing. It has stopped. You see? It has stopped washing. Now I'm going to take it out from here. I'll take it, put it here. Put the rest in here. Okay. Just this is it. You take it, put it here to spin. I want to do the wristing here and the spinning here. Okay. I want to be doing the spinning and the wristing here. Okay. Oh, it's going to be too much. Let me do it like it. Don't want to be too much. Okay. Don't expect everything that's washed here to be able to go into the spinning session. You understand? So I'm going to turn on the water and then you see how it goes. Okay. This is doing my wristing here. And same here, I need to do my spinning. Okay. I'm doing my wristing here. So you see. So I'm going to take it back. It's going to be going there. Again. So now I'm done with my wristing. So I'm going to be doing my spinning. Oh, first of all, hold on. Put this like this, okay? Put this. And then you see I want to do my spinning. Just 3 minutes. Shifting now, right? It was here before and I'm shifting. Yeah, shift. But if you think it's staying too long, more than you expected, then you can just turn it upper so it will help you do it fast. Okay, as she's doing it now, the water is spilling out. You get? Yeah. I'm going to take all these ones as well and I'm going to put them here too. Do the same processing by wristing it together and do the spinning in the same place. Okay, so I'm not done washing yet. So hope you understand me, guys. Thank you for watching. This is your first time coming across my video. Please, if you like this video, please subscribe, give me thumbs up, and I'll be so glad that you did. Thank you so much, guys. I think I'm done with my today reveal. I hope you understand that when you get to your turn, you can able to do it the way I explained. Okay, thank you so much. Do have a nice time. It's a girl Jewel. Hope to see you in my next video. Love you. Bye. I'm going to show you now how each letter comes out. How each letter comes out. Okay, you can see. Can you see it? You can see it's off now. Still wait for some minutes so that it will stop. Are you hearing it? It's spinning. Oh yeah. And now it is stopped now. This is how it is. It's not a fault. That is how you know it's this. Okay. So after all this, and then it stops. And now you can do your opening. Okay. And now open. Bring out this other cover out. Excuse me. Then see your cotton is already dried. This is how it is. See, it's dry. It's dried already. The water has gone out. Can you see? It's clean and all the water is out. So bye, guys.